Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 6, Fun with Give and Take. All of you please take out your textbook and pencil. Take page number 78. Can you help Nabila? Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila brought 1 kilogram ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Kilogram is written as kg. So, here Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy something. As your mother sent you to buy milk or something, some things your mother will also send you. Like that, here this is Nabila and her mother had sent her to the market and she want to buy some things. And while going to the market, Nabila's mother had given her rupees 245 and asked her to buy 1 kilogram of ghee. So Nabila went to the market, went to the shop and asked the shopkeeper to give her 1 kilogram of ghee. And do you know what is the cost of the ghee? Cost of 1 kilogram of ghee is 127. So she purchased 1 kilogram of ghee and given rupees 245 to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. In return, how much money the shopkeeper had given her? He had given her rupees 98 because she had given, Nabila has given shopkeeper rupees 245 and the cost of ghee is 127 and the shopkeeper had returned her rupees 98. Kilogram is written, you can see here kg. As we studied earlier, the short form of kilogram is kg. Okay. Did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? So here we have to find out whether the shopkeeper had returned back Nabila the correct amount or not. So let us find out. Okay. Money Nabila had. How much money Nabila had? Nabila had rupees 245 with her. So write 2 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place and 5 in ones place. Here you can see the expanded form of 245. This 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. And what is the cost of ghee? The cost of ghee is 127. So in order to find out the amount that the shopkeeper should return is, you have to deduct 127 plus from 245. Otherwise 245 minus 127. Okay, so write in proper columns like this. So always we have to start our calculation from the ones place. So starting from the ones place, 5 ones minus 7 ones. Is 5 minus 7 possible? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 7. So 5 minus 7 is not possible. In such cases, what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. We have to borrow 1 10 from the tens place. See, we cannot take 7 ones from 5 ones. We cannot deduct 5 minus 7. So what we have to do? So borrow 10. What we have to borrow? We have to borrow 1 10 from this tens place. So 1 10 means how many ones? 1 10 means 10 ones. So we can see 1 10 here it is written as 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have borrowed 1 10, otherwise 10 ones from there. So how many ones we are having now? Now we have 15 ones. How? We are already having 5 ones here. We have borrowed 1 10 from here. That is 1 10 means 10 ones. So total this 10 plus 5 we are having 15 ones. So how many ones are there? 15 ones. We have got 15 ones. Count this one. This is 15 ones here. And as we borrowed 1 10 from this tens place, this 4 tens had become 3 tens now. Why? This 1 10 is already given to the ones place. So it is gone. So remaining is 3. So you have to cut here 4 and write 3 over there. And this 5 had become 15 now. And how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds as it is. Okay. Now we can do the calculation. See. 245 minus 127. So this 5 had become 15 now. So 15 ones minus 7 ones. Otherwise 15 minus 7. How much? See, you can see here 15 ones are there. You have to strike out or cut out 7 ones from there. So cut 7 ones from here. Remaining how many ones are there? Count it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many ones are there? There are 8 ones. Okay. So write here 8. Now from 15 ones take away 7 ones. Only 8 ones left. So we got 8 ones here. Okay. Now moving on to the tens place. Here only 3 tens are there. As we borrowed 1 10 to this ones place, only 3 tens are remaining. So 3 minus 2. How many are there? 3 minus 4. So you have to cut out 2 tens from here. So remaining 1 10 is there. So write 1 here. Now take away tens. Only 1 10 is left. So when you take away 2 tens from 3 tens, we will get 1. Otherwise 3 minus 2 is 1. Now moving on to the hundreds place. Now take away hundreds. Only 100 left. So 200s are there. We have to take away 1. Otherwise 2 minus 1. So 200 out of 200, strike it out. 100 remaining only 110. So how much is left? 100, 1 tens and 7. How many ones are there? 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So write 1, 1, 8 here. Okay. So the shopkeeper had to give Nabila how many rupees? Shopkeeper had to give her rupees 118 in return. Okay. So but how much money did the shopkeeper give her? He had given her only 98 rupees. So he had to give more money to her because he had to actually return 118 rupees, but he had given her only 98 rupees. So how much money more the shopkeeper should give Nabila? That you have to find out. So how to find out? 118 minus 98, because he had given only less amount. So we have to find out the difference, how much money he had to give her Nabila. Okay. So we can deduct 118 here from here. See, 118 minus 98. So starting from the ones place, 8 minus 8 you will get 0. Next moving to the tens place, 1 minus 9. Is 1 minus 9 possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 100 from the hundreds place. Okay. So we are borrowing 100 from the hundreds place. So what we have got? This one will become 11. Okay, and this one has become 0 because already only 100 is there that we had already given to the tens place or borrowed to the tens place. So 11 minus 9 you will get 2. Otherwise 11 tens minus 9 tens you will get 2 tens. Here 0, so write nothing to write here. So what is the amount the shopkeeper had to give Nabila? Shopkeeper had to give her 20 rupees more. Okay. Now moving to the practice time on the next page. Practice time. First, number 1. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? So this is mummy tortoise and this is baby tortoise. And the age of mummy tortoise is how many years? It is 150 years. And the age of baby tortoise is 33 years. So you have to find out the difference of their age. Otherwise, how much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? You have to find the difference. So write age of mummy tortoise. Age of mummy tortoise is 150 years and age of baby tortoise is 33 years. So we have to find out the difference. So write in proper columns like this. 150 minus 33. 100, 5 tens and 0 ones minus 33 means 3 tens and 3 ones. Here also 0 minus 3. Is 0 minus 3 possible? No. So in such cases what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 10 from the tens place. As we borrow 1 tens towards here, this 0 1 will become 10 ones because 110 means 10 ones. So how many ones are here? Here it will become 10 ones, and as 110 is given to this side to the ones place, here the tens will become 5 tens will become 4 tens. Okay, so 10 minus 3. How much is 10 minus 3? You will get 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then here 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Here nothing to deduct, so this 1 you can write it here. 1 minus nothing is there, so here write 1 downwards. So what is the difference of age between mummy tortoise and baby tortoise? It is 117 years. So mummy tortoise is 117 years elder than baby tortoise. Otherwise, baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Okay. Now, moving on to the next question. Arvind had read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri had read 95 pages of that storybook. So, here Arvind and Gauri both are reading the same storybook. Both are having the same storybook and both are reading the book. And Arvind has read 69 pages. He is reading and he has completed 69 pages. Okay. And Gauri is also reading the storybook and she has completed 95 pages. Who had read more pages? So here, who had read more pages? 95 or 69? Which is the largest number? 95 is the largest number. Who has read 95 pages? Gauri has read 95 pages. So Gauri has read more pages. And how many more? You have to find out how many more pages did Gauri read. So for that, you have to deduct 69 from 95. So it is already written in columns. We have to deduct here. Here 95 minus 69. Here also 5 minus 9 is not possible. So in such cases we will usually borrow. So borrow 110 from here. So as we borrow 110 from here, this 5 will become 15. 10 ones plus 5 ones already here. So it will become 15. As 110 is sent to this side, given to this side, this 9 tens will become 8 tens. So cut this 9, write 8 here. Okay, this 5 will become 15. Now you can deduct 15 minus 9. How much is 15 minus 9? You will get 6. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So the answer is 26. So Gauri has read 26 more pages than Arvind. How many pages more she read? She had read 26 more pages than Arvind. So write the answer here. Gauri read 26 more pages than Arvind. Okay. I hope you have understood all this. Complete this in your test book. Let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.